Welcome back to Home Garden Inspiration, your ultimate source for creative home gardening ideas and inspirations. Today, we are counting down 15 easy, lush and long-lasting full-sun perennials that will transform your yard into a vibrant paradise. These hardy beauties thrive in maximum sunlight and require minimal effort to keep your garden blooming season after season. If you love stunning landscapes, please make sure to comment, like, share and subscribe to our channel so you never miss a video. Purple coneflowers are an absolute staple for any sun-drenched garden bed. These resilient perennials boast large, daisy-like petals surrounding a distinct, spiky central cone. They bloom continuously from midsummer through the first frost while drawing in dozens of local pollinators. Planting them against a neutral backdrop allows their intense magenta and pink hues to truly pop. Black-eyed Susans bring a brilliant burst of golden yellow sunshine to your outdoor spaces. Their dark brown centers create a striking contrast that catches the eye from across the yard. These flowers are incredibly drought-tolerant and adapt beautifully to various soil types with ease. They look spectacular when massed together along walkways or borders to create a sea of gold. Blanket flowers offer a dazzling multicolored display of red, orange and bright yellow bands. These short-lived but fast-growing perennials keep producing blossoms even during the hottest summer days. Their daisy-like shape adds a playful, wild texture to formal and informal landscapes alike. They thrive in poor, well-draining soils where other delicate plants might easily wither away. Russian sage introduces a delicate, misty texture to your sunny borders with its silvery green foliage. Long spires of tiny lavender blue flowers create an airy cloud effect that softens hard landscape edges. This exceptionally tough plant handles intense heat, poor soil and drought conditions without losing vigor. It pairs beautifully with bolder, large-leafed perennials to establish a well-balanced visual contrast. Meadow sage produces dense, upright spikes of deep violet-purple flowers that command immediate attention. Cutting back the spent blooms during midsummer easily encourages a fresh round of spectacular flowering. Its compact growth habit makes it an excellent choice for framing low pathways or garden borders. The aromatic foliage acts as a natural deterrent against common garden pests like deer and rabbits. Daylilies are often celebrated as the perfect perennial for both beginner and experienced gardeners. Each individual blossom lasts for just a single day, but the plant produces an endless succession of buds. Available in an array of shades from soft peach to deep burgundy, they fit into any color palette. They easily establish strong root systems that hold soil in place along sloping areas of your yard. Yarrow features flat-topped clusters of tightly packed flowers rising above feathery, fern-like green leaves. This ancient garden favorite is famous for its rugged durability against extreme heat and drought. The blossoms come in diverse shades of yellow, red, pink, and white to suit your styling preferences. Leaving the dried seed heads intact provides structural interest during the stark winter months. Autumn Joy Sedum offers unique year-round interest with its fleshy green leaves and changing floral tones. The broccoli-like flower heads open as a pale pink before deepening into a rich, rusty copper red. Succulent stems store water efficiently, allowing this plant to shrug off prolonged dry spells easily. It serves as a fantastic transitional plant that keeps the garden looking lush well into late autumn. English Lavender infuses the garden with a soothing, unmistakable aroma and timeless Mediterranean charm. The iconic purple spikes rise above compact mounds of narrow, silver-toned evergreen leaves. It requires excellent drainage and maximum sun exposure to maintain its signature look and health. Planting it near high-traffic paths allows visitors to easily brush past and release the calming fragrance. Coreopsis, commonly known as tickseed, delivers an abundance of bright, daisy-like flowers all summer long. These sun-loving plants form dense, bushy clumps that fill empty spaces with vibrant color quickly. They are remarkably low maintenance, needing only occasional deadheading to prolong their energetic bloom cycle. Their golden or bicolored petals create a warm, welcoming vibe when positioned near entryways. Bee balm showcases unique ragged whorls of tubular flowers that resemble miniature colorful fireworks. True to its name, this perennial is an absolute magnet for hummingbirds, bees, and butterflies alike. The crushed leaves emit a pleasant minty citrus scent that enhances the sensory experience of your garden. It thrives in full sun but appreciates consistent moisture to keep its lush foliage looking pristine. Catmint forms low-growing, billowing mounds covered in soft, lavender-blue flowers for months on end. It serves as a spectacular, long-blooming ground cover or border edger that softens sharp lines. Shearing the plant back by half after the first major flush stimulates a dense, neat rebloom. Its resilient nature ensures it bounces back beautifully after heavy summer storms or minor neglect. Shasta daisies deliver a clean, crisp aesthetic with their pure white petals and cheerful yellow centers. These classic perennials blend seamlessly into any garden theme, from rustic cottage to modern minimalist styles. They stand on sturdy stems that make them excellent additions to homemade, freshly cut floral arrangements. Grouping them in odd numbers creates a balanced, natural-looking focal point within your sunny beds. Garden phlox produces large dome-shaped clusters of tightly packed, sweetly fragrant blossoms. It stands tall at the back of the border, providing a rich wall of color throughout mid to late summer. The intense pinks, purples, and whites create an eye-catching display against a cottage-style garden fence. Ensuring adequate air circulation around the stems keeps the lush foliage healthy and disease-free. hardy ice plant acts as a shimmering, low-maintenance ground cover that thrives in hot, arid conditions. The daisy-like flowers feature a brilliant metallic sheen in shades of neon pink, purple, and yellow. Its succulent evergreen foliage forms a dense carpet that effectively chokes out pesky weeds over time. We hope these gorgeous full-sun perennials inspire your next landscaping project, so please remember to comment, like, share and subscribe to the channel, and goodbye until next time.